What are the ongoing operational costs, utilities, maintenance, staff, for running a crematory? Understanding the ongoing operational costs is crucial when starting or expanding a cremation business. At FT North America, we help funeral homes plan for these recurring expenses to ensure smooth, cost-efficient operations. Let's break this down into the three key categories: utilities, maintenance, and staffing. 1. Utilities. The largest utility cost for running a cremation chamber or cremation retort is typically fuel. Whether your system is powered by natural gas, propane, or electricity, fuel usage is directly tied to the volume of cremations and the efficiency of your cremation machine. Natural gas or propane. A typical cremation cycle consumes between 20-40 therms of natural gas, depending on the retort's design and body size. Newer cremation systems, like those we provide, are built for energy efficiency, reducing fuel usage and costs over time. Electricity. Electric systems are emerging as an alternative, especially in areas with environmental restrictions. Energy costs will vary based on utility rates, but proper insulation and heat recirculation help minimize waste. Ventilation systems. Exhaust systems, fans, and control panels require steady electrical power, but are designed for low energy use. On average, utility costs per cremation range from $25 to $75, depending on energy source and system efficiency. 2. Maintenance. Like any high-performing equipment, cremation retorts require regular maintenance to ensure safety, efficiency, and compliance with environmental regulations. Maintenance includes daily and weekly inspections. Operators should check for debris buildup, monitor burner performance, and inspect control systems for irregularities. Annual service. Professional service technicians should conduct thorough inspections, test emission systems, and replace critical components like burners, refractory linings, or gaskets. Refractory lining replacement. Over time, the retort's interior lining will degrade due to constant exposure to high temperatures. Lining replacement is typically needed every 5-7 years, depending on usage. At FT North America, we emphasize preventative maintenance to reduce downtime and extend the life of your cremation equipment. Budget approximately $3,000 to $5,000 annually for regular servicing, with larger repairs planned as needed. 3. Staffing. The cost of staffing includes operator salaries, training, and certifications. Most crematories employ at least one dedicated operator, often a funeral director or trained technician, responsible for preparing remains for cremation, operating and monitoring the cremation retort, ensuring compliance with safety and identification protocols. Operators must be certified through programs such as those offered by the CANA, Cremation Association of North America. Training costs are typically modest, but essential for maintaining professional standards. Salaries for certified operators can range from $40,000 to $60,000 annually, depending on location and workload. Other considerations. Insurance. Liability insurance for the facility and equipment is essential and will depend on the size and volume of operations. Environmental compliance. Regular emissions testing or reporting may be required to maintain permits, with associated costs varying by state. Final thoughts. At FT North America, we provide efficient, durable cremation systems to minimize fuel costs, reduce downtime, and ensure compliance with all environmental and operational standards. By factoring in utilities, maintenance, and staffing costs, funeral homes can confidently plan for sustainable, profitable crematory operations. If you're ready to dive deeper or want to discuss operational cost-saving strategies, let's connect. We're here to help you every step of the way.